In a market crowded with incremental upgrades and familiar names, the CMF Headphone Pro arrives with a refreshingly clear purpose. Designed by CMF, Nothing's design-centric sub-brand, these headphones represent the company's first step into full-size over-ear audio. And they do so by prioritizing real-world performance over flashy excess. This isn't about chasing luxury branding. It's about delivering long-lasting, capable wireless headphones that people can actually live with every day. CMF's first over-ear statement. The CMF Headphone Pro sits at an interesting intersection: affordable pricing, but ambitions that stretch into premium territory. At a glance, the fundamentals are strong. Up to 100 hours of playback with ANC disabled. Around 50 hours with active noise cancellation enabled. 40mm dynamic drivers. Hybrid adaptive ANC rated up to 40 decibels. High-res audio certification with LDAC support. For a first-generation over-ear product, this is a confident opening move, and it immediately positions CMF as more than just a budget brand experimenting on the sidelines. Sound performance. The CMF Headphone Pro uses custom-tuned 40mm drivers designed to balance clarity, bass presence, and overall loudness without distortion. The sound signature leans clean and controlled rather than aggressively boosted. What truly elevates the experience is LDAC support. LDAC allows Bluetooth streaming at bit rates up to 990 kilobits per second, significantly higher than standard SBC or AAC. When paired with a compatible Android device, this means more detailed high frequencies, better separation in layered tracks, less compression in complex arrangements. The CMF Headphone Pro makes a strong case for high-quality wireless listening, especially for high-resolution streaming services and locally stored lossless files. Noise cancellation that adapts, not just exists. CMF avoids this pitfall by using hybrid adaptive ANC. This system combines feed-forward and feedback microphones, dynamically adjusting cancellation strength based on your surroundings. The result is effective suppression of engine hum during flights, low-frequency urban noise, continuous background chatter. Rated at up to 40 decibels, the ANC isn't marketed as class-leading, but in practice, it performs reliably and predictably, which matters far more in daily use. Battery life that redefines convenience. With ANC turned off, playback can stretch up to 100 hours. With ANC on, it still manages around 50 hours, a figure many premium models struggle to reach even without noise cancellation. Fast charging further enhances usability. A 5-minute charge delivers several hours of playback. Full charging takes roughly 2 hours via USB-C. In a thoughtful touch, the headphones can even be charged directly from a smartphone using a USB-C to USB-C cable. A small feature, but one that can genuinely save the day when traveling. Segment 5, controls that feel intentional. Rather than leaning on touch-sensitive panels, CMF opts for physical controls, and the choice feels deliberate. A roller dial handles volume, playback, and ANC modes. The energy slider allows real-time bass and treble adjustment. This means you can shape the sound instantly, without opening an app or navigating menus. Segment 6, comfort, build, and modular design. The CMF Headphone Pro features a lightweight frame designed for extended wear, paired with soft over-ear cushioning that minimizes pressure during long listening sessions. Segment 7, call quality and connectivity. For calls and online meetings, the CMF Headphone Pro uses a 6-microphone array supported by AI-based environmental noise reduction. In practice, this helps isolate your voice from background noise during commutes, public spaces, work-from-home calls. Bluetooth multi-point connectivity allows the headphones to stay connected to 2 devices simultaneously. For example, a laptop and a phone, making transitions between work and personal use seamless. Segment 8, software support without dependency. The headphones integrate with the Nothing X app, offering equalizer adjustments, ANC mode controls, firmware updates. Importantly, the core experience doesn't depend on the app. The CMF Headphone Pro doesn't try to dominate spec sheets through excess. Instead, it chooses the features that matter most: battery life, sound quality, usability, and comfort, and executes them with discipline. For their price category, they offer more than just competitive value. If wireless headphones are part of your daily routine, not just an occasional accessory, the CMF Headphone Pro earns its place as a serious contender.